Hey guys, this is Melissa from the House of Plaid Fuzz, and today we're going to unbox my Erin Condren Winter Seasonal Surprise Box. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my new content, and if you're not, welcome back. Quarterly, Erin Condren releases a seasonal surprise box. I've gotten all but the, I think, very first one, and I have other unboxing videos you can check out if you want to see what was in those. This is the winter one. I almost didn't get it because I really haven't been very happy with the last couple. But I'm really glad I did get this one. And you can see the box is huge. Like, I have a hard time even getting it under my camera here. And it's black and white, which I love. That's kind of my Christmas theme. We have the, there's a newsletter in here. And then there you have the box. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of take things out of the box to show you, just because it is such close quarters, it's kind of hard to maneuver here. Okay, first of all, I'm just going to get out of the way the one thing I did not really care for in this box, which is this candle. It is grapefruit, raspberry, and ginger, which I'm sure smells lovely, but I have severe asthma, so I can't have candles and scented things like that. The tin is kind of scratched up. I mean, this will probably be a gift, but I would like it to be in a little nicer condition for gifting. So that one was a miss. Okay, next we have these designer metallic markers. I haven't tried these out yet. Gold and platinum, but they look cool. Oh, and I forgot to mention that the candle is exclusive or available in the store if you're near an Erin Condren store, which I'm not, so I wouldn't be buying them anyway. You have to be smarter than the marker. Not really sure how these work. Oh, there we go. You just have to push really hard. Interesting. Well, let me grab some paper and test these out. Alright, so I grabbed a piece of paper here. This is just the Erin Condren, I don't know what it's called, dot grid paper, but these are very opaque. Don't mind, I'm not a letterer. And if you can really see that, they're markers. Okay, so next we have these jumbo paper clips. I think these are cool. I am always using like binder clips or something like that for my various journals and stuff to keep my place. So gold is not necessarily my aesthetic, but I did get gold coils on my planner this year. So, oh, and there's 4 of them in here. Those are cute. Next, this is what I'm really excited about. This is this mug. I don't necessarily love this design, but I just love mugs. It's got this cute little asterisk in it. It's just a nice size and weight, like it feels nice in your hand. This will definitely get used. This will get used a lot more than the tumbler that they sent in the one box. These would be cool to see in more designs, maybe. This is exclusive and in store. Looks like basically everything out of this box except the markers are a sneak peek, and everything else is exclusive. Oh, and the paper clips are a sneak peek. Next is this Jot Your Thought journal, which is very pretty. It's lined, which I don't know when they're going to get the memo that people prefer dot grid, but it's a pretty like gold foiled. Ooh, and the inside's super pretty too. This paper feels really nice. I have to say this paper I think feels better than some of their other journals. I'm not sure if it is any different, but this feels like it would be nice to write in. Okay, next we have stickers, and these are like gift tags. Cute, they don't really match my Christmassy stuff, but cute and timely, I guess. These, it looks like this top sheet is like the clear stickers. Maybe they both are. Oh, this one is paper and this one is clear, the thing says. So these are cute. It's interesting that these are so big. Like that's not necessarily something you'd use in your planner. I don't know that I'll even necessarily use these, but I might. I like stickers, so I'm happy with that. All right, so there you have it. There is the Winter 2018 Erin Condren Seasonal Surprise Box. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.